Need to pay your Walmart Rewards Mastercard bill online. Making timely payments is crucial for maintaining good credit and avoiding late fees. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily pay your Walmart Rewards Mastercard online. To pay your Walmart Rewards Mastercard online, you'll need to log in to your credit card issuer's online portal. For the Walmart Rewards Mastercard, this is typically Capital One or Synchrony Bank, depending on when you open the card. Go to their respective website. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments or Bill Pay section. You'll usually see an option to Make a Payment or Schedule Payment. Choose the amount you wish to pay, minimum statement balance or custom amount. Finally, select your payment method, typically linking a checking or savings account via routing and account numbers. Review all the details and confirm the payment. You'll receive a confirmation, and your payment will be processed by the due date. And there you have it. Paying your Walmart Rewards Mastercard online is straightforward. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.